everyone, it's Katie. This is the first time I've turned the camera on myself where you can see my face and hear my voice and everything. Not a big fan of being in front of the camera. As you can probably tell by my other videos, I tend to just throw in music and keep the camera from the neck down. So this is going to be a bit different, obviously, this week. I wanted to do a little intro to this video because, hi buddy, I wanted to try a series, a DIY series. I've noticed recently, whenever I've gone to the dollar store, that a lot more kits and projects are available all in one. So I thought I'd do a series where I pick up a few of these kits and give them a try. I'm gonna call it Dollar Store Win or Bust, and I'll give the projects a try, give feedback on them, and tell you where I got them from, so you can give them a try yourself if you want. The first one I'm going to try is this DIY string art kit. If you can't tell, it's a little llama design, which I thought was super cute. They had a few others, clouds, hearts, little houses, stuff like that. So I'm going to make a video of me trying out this kit, and we're gonna see how it turns out. It's a lot easier than having to do all of the nailing yourself, obviously. And it comes with everything you need, including the 2 different colors of string. So that's awesome. It's $3.50 for the pack, and I don't think that's too bad considering you get everything you need all in one bag. So I'm going to put together a video demonstrating putting it together, and we'll go from there. And I have a couple other ideas lined up for the same series, so you'll have to stay tuned for those. And yeah, we'll see how everything goes. So I just finished the DIY string art kit from the dollar store. This is the final look. I think it's pretty cute. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. The nails are pretty close together, so I found the string would slip a lot if I wasn't really holding it super taut and, you know, being really meticulous with how I was holding it and stuff like that. But I've also never done string art before, so this was a new thing for me. I haven't had any practice doing it, so that could have been a factor as well. The only thing I'm realizing now is that the colors the kit came with and the way I used them kind of made my llama look like a giant chicken. So if I were to do this again, I'd swap the colors to avoid that look. But I still think it's pretty cute. And something else I came across when I was at the dollar store was this little easel with a canvas. So I thought if you wanted, after you're finished doing your string art, you could put the canvas aside, you save it for later, and use the little easel to display your string art. If you want, you could paint the wooden canvas before doing the string art, or you could paint the easel or leave it the way it is. It doesn't really matter. It's just an option, and it fits perfectly on there. Both of these things were from Dollarama, so if you have one of those near you, you could check them out, see if they have any of these kits. Like I said, they had multiple designs. I just thought this one would be super cute. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed part 1 of this dollar store win or bust series. I'd call it a win. It's my fault for not thinking ahead about the color choice here. It was still a lot of fun, great for a rainy day or a snowy day like today when you're stuck inside. So if you are at the dollar store and you see something like this, I'd recommend picking a few of them up and just keeping them in storage for a day like today. Maybe there's a snow day, kids need something to do, string art without having to do all of the nailing and stuff is, I think, a great option. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more in this series, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.